What's up, Tech Fan? We're here live on Tech IQ, and today we're going to be installing an operating system on a very brand new HP. This HP is a very brand new from a client, and today we want to install a Windows operating system in it. As you can see, it's still on the radar. So today has the free Gix operating system installed in it. Here in Tech IQ, we do tech and unboxing. We review specs and show you tips and steps on how to go about your gadgets, your computers, your laptops, and your mobile phones. So follow me, guys. Are you ready? Let's install this. All right, so you already know my face. I'm gonna be unboxing this brand new system. You get it has not been used for the very first time. So we are setting up an operating system in it. So as you can see, it's a brand new HP 14. So this is it. All right. So what you actually need to set up an operating system in a brand new laptop is a Windows bootable flash. If you don't have a Windows flash, if you don't have a Windows bootable flash, you can actually use your Windows CD. You have it on a CD plate like this. You can use it with like this system is a 12th generational system. It's a brand new 12th generational Intel Core i3, with 512 SSD, and this is the external disk we're going to be using to set up operation on the system. So first thing first, if I turn the system on, system is going to boot from the free disk operating system, but that's not what we want on it. So you see, this is actually the first time I'm turning the system on. As you can see from this end. So let's allow it to set up. All right, so you see, so as you can see, the system is freshly from a, you see, it's showing loading from free disk operating system. I have my Windows CD, which is the Windows 11 that I'm going to be installing this system right here in this external. So what I'm going to do is to connect this to the, okay, actually on the other side. So I'm going to be connecting this to the USB port of this system. And first I'm going to have to shut it down because that's not what I want to do. So when I shut down, I'm going to have to start it back on and press function key F9 for HP. Every other system have their own boot option key here. So we're going to be selecting function key and it will boot from this very external CD-ROM. All right, so here we are. So it's giving us the option to select from various medium of a device like this. But what we have available is this to boot with. So we're going to select a USB CD-ROM driver and we'll hit enter, which is this, and press any key to initiate a boot from this very CD drive. I'm going to wait for it to load from this. So it usually takes time, so I'm going to skip this video and wait for when it starts. This is after waiting for a few minutes. So it brought us here so we can start the installation process. So we just go straight to select install now, and allow it to. Alright, so Okay. So we're going to be installing our operating system. So it's on the go. So wait for it to install. So it's still installing. And as you can see, after getting to 100, it has to restart and get to this point. So it's restarting, and as you can see, so boom. So our system is almost ready. So what we're going to have to do is to run like 2 more stroke and we're done. And boom, we're waiting for our system to so right. Yeah, back on the desktop. As you can see, our touchpad is not working. Our speaker is not working also. So what I'm going to do is to connect an internet and update the utility driver of these features, the touchpad, the speaker, and any other features that is not working. We're going to have to do that or run a driver. If you have a driver already available, you can run the driver. But if you don't, you just go to the net, connect the system to the internet, and update those features. And that's what we're going to do. If you want to understand, if there's any steps you miss here from what I just did, on the comment section you can ask questions and I will always relate to them. Whatever question you have that has to do with system support setup, we're here at Tech IQ to give you reviews and unbox system and help you get through with your daily gadgets. So whatever question you have about what I just did, if you have questions you want to ask me on how I was able to get to this point of an operating system in this system, you have questions, let me get it on the comment section. Please like, share, and subscribe, to follow more tips on